Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful pattern for blanket and cardigan stitch pattern. I will show you in this video. Let us start. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger. For more details visit my website, link in the description box. In this video I will show you a beautiful new crochet stitch pattern for blanket. I am using a lightweight 3-ply wool, 3 mm crochet hook, D3, iron tape will need, a lightweight 3-ply wool I am using for this pattern. 1 2 3 4 5 chains 1 inch, 5 chains 1 inch and 2.5 centimeter. Continue and make 6 7 8 9 10 29 stitches we will need for this pattern, plus 2 extra chains. 29 30 31 chains. 1 2 3 skip 3 stitches. 4th chain, make 1 double crochet. This 3 chain we count first double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch make a double crochet cluster. I have 4 loops. Chain 1. In the same stitch make a double crochet cluster. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch make a double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet in each 5 stitches. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch make a double crochet cluster. One chain, double crochet cluster. In the same stitch 3 times and make a double crochet cluster. Continue and follow the same work. Skip the next stitch. In the next 5 stitches make a double crochet. Follow the same work across. Follow the same pattern. Chain 1 and turn work. In the same stitch make a single crochet in a stitch across. Total of I have 29 stitches. Single crochet in a stitch across. In the middle of chain make a single crochet cluster and continue work. Make a single crochet in every stitch across in row 2. Continue work, single crochet in every stitch across. Here in row 2 single crochet 27, 28 into third chain single crochet 29. I have 29 single crochet in the second row. 1, 2, 2 chains and turn work. These 2 chain we don't count in the same stitch. Make a double crochet 1, double crochet 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 stitches, make a double crochet, and in the middle of cluster 1 step down in the same space make a cluster. Double crochet 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. 3 times make a double crochet and chain 1 in the same space, make again a double crochet cluster. 3 times double crochet, 1 step down in the same space, make a cluster. And in the next double crochet 5 stitches, make 1 double crochet. One, two, three, four, 5 stitches, same double crochet. This pattern for blanket, for cardigan jacket, for ladies shawl, a texture pattern, you can make it easy. Okay, in the next middle of cluster, make a cluster again, space, 3 double crochet, make a cluster, chain 1 and make again a double crochet. Make a double crochet cluster. Continue and follow the same work. At the end of row 3, make a double crochet 5 stitches. Row 4, repeat the single crochet row, chain 1 and in every stitch make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in each stitch across. Continue and make single crochet in every stitch. Single crochet in every stitch across. 4. Row 5. In row 5, repeat the third row. 2 chains we don't count. Make a double crochet in each 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Double crochet in each 5 stitches. And make a cluster in the middle of space. Double crochet 3 times and make a cluster. Make a chain 1 in the same space, make a double crochet cluster. And then continue work in every 5 stitches, make 1 double crochet. Five stitches, make a double crochet. For the pattern of this blanket, repeat and follow row 3 and 4. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger. For more details visit my website, link in the description box. Like and share this video. For more videos subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.